Hello guys, welcome to Textbook Banking channel. So this video is for your IOB LBO interview, local bank officer interview, जिसका रिजल्ट आ चुका है बट इंटरव्यू डेट्स अभी आना बाकी हैं. बहुत जल्दी इसकी डेट्स भी आ जाएंगी बट वट एवर रिमेनिंग टाइम वी हैव वी मस्ट प्रिपेयर फॉर इट. ओके, तो इंटरव्यू एक आपका फाइनल राउंड होता है, फाइनल स्टेज होता है. वी हैव टू गिव आवर 100% एंड एक क्वेश्चन जो आपसे पूछते हैं, what major responsibilities you think you will handle. तो अगर आप किसी पर्टिकुलर जॉब के लिए इंटरव्यू के लिए जा रहे हैं, you should know what will be your responsibilities, what all you will be handling, what is the proper way of answering this. तो यही वीडियो में I'll discuss what will be your responsibilities if you get a question like what major things you think you will be handling, what is the profile, do you know the profile, what will be your responsibilities. Let's check what are the responsibilities of an LBO. Now, please remember, it is very much similar to your PO profile. I have to say this, that it is very much similar to your PO profile. Now, if you see here, your key responsibilities task will be loan processing, then which is your loan application, whether it is vehicle, home, personal, okay, and you will check the policies, is it compliant with RBI rules, etc. Credit appraisal, documentation, KYC, insurance, legal insurance, whatever documents required, are they in place or no? Loan disbursement, you will coordinate with other teams also for this. Recovery monitoring, okay. Customer service, major is customer service, okay. And your reporting, you will prepare reports for managers, for high authorities on loan portfolio performances. Okay, so basically this I am giving you in pointers, but other than that, not only this, it is a big list. If you see role of a PO, if you see local bank officer and PO role, they are very much similar. Okay, if you see the PO responsibilities, bank PO responsibilities, you will see the job profile is very much similar, and you know you are actually you are actually responsible for a wide range of tasks. Okay, so whether it is processing loans, managing finances, customer service, like I said, is major, also supervising the clerical staff. तो ये सारी आपकी रोल्स रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज रहती हैं. कस्टमर्स के लिए कई बार यू आर फर्स्ट टाइम कॉन्टैक्ट्स, राइट, or and you are resolving their complaints or addressing their issues. Okay, so there is a range of tasks. Now, how will you answer this question? This is the book question. You start that as a local bank officer at IOB, I understand my major responsibilities will revolve around customer service, okay, loan management, smooth functioning of day-to-day branch operations. This is very important. This also will be a responsibility. Handling loan applications, documentations, maintaining strong customer relationships. So you can just in brief answer in a paragraph form. You need to know, and you need to know how will you give an answer to this question. So this will come through practice. Just prepare a normal simple answer where you can cover major responsibilities, starting with I understand that I will be handling a range of tasks, okay, including or most prominently customer service, right? So also one advice which I always give to my students who are going for interview round, if you know any of your people who are already in this post, LBO post, who are your friends in the bank who are in this post already working, do talk to them over a call. Tell them, ask them questions, ask them what they handle in a day, their experience, what all challenges they get in a day, how they manage. Because when you know, when you know what really happens, you can think from a very practical point of view, विच इज वेरी यूजफुल इन इंटरव्यू. तो अगर आप ऐसे लोगों को जानते हैं कि जो एलबीओ प्रोफाइल में वर्क कर रहे हैं, उनसे डेफिनेटली बात करें, चाहे आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं या आप किसी को जानते हैं पर्सनली, फैमिली में है कोई अगर बैंक एलबीओ पोस्ट पे, तो आप बात जरूर करें उनसे, पता लगाएं कि क्या रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज, क्या चैलेंजेस वो फेस करते हैं, ताकि आप रियल लाइफ सिनेरियो समझ पाएं. और कोई क्वेश्चंस ऐसे सिचुएशन बेस्ड आते हैं एग्जाम इंटरव्यू में, आप उसको बहुत अच्छे से फिर हैंडल कर पाएंगे. एनीवेज, वी विल बी प्रिपेयरिंग more such questions. So your Indian Overseas Bank LBO interview is live, course is live, in which we will cover all your HR question classes, current affairs, GA, personality development, mentorship will be given to you, plus mock interviews. The most important part is one-on-one mock interview. Now, why textbook mock interviews are better? Because if you see other platforms, if I compare, we are not restricted to just 2 mocks. Sometimes if we feel a student is not confident right now and needs more practice, we give extra mocks also. So one-on-one mock will be there with a variety of people or faculty, you can say, so that you understand your weakness and work on it, prepare accordingly. right? This course is available on Testbook platform. You can check. Here, there's a separate interview course on Testbook. Here you can see. I will also share the link in the video. So LBO course, you can use the code Harshita for discount if you want maximum off in this course. HARSHITA. Code is Harshita, HARSHITA 599. This is the price 599, in which all you will get classes, mentorship, guidance, everything, and mock interviews. Most importantly, the more you practice, the better you get at it, the more confidence you get, right? One more thing, you will be added to a separate WhatsApp group, which is just dedicated to our interview students. For our interview students, we have started with the mock, so do not delay. And if you really want to prepare well, enroll now using code Harshita. Any queries, ask me in the comments. Thank you.